Today we're diving into a topic that affects us all: time management. Ever find yourself scrolling endlessly through your phone only to realize hours have slipped away? You're not alone. But fear not, because in this video we're going to equip you with practical strategies to take control of your time and boost your productivity. Have you ever wondered why we struggle to stay focused and productive? It's not just about bad habits, it's about how our brains are wired. But the good news is that we can rewire them for better time management and efficiency. Stick around as we explore the science behind procrastination and uncover actionable tips to break free from its grip. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Let's get started. Have you ever experienced that sinking feeling as a deadline looms and you're nowhere near prepared? That's stress, a direct consequence of procrastination and time mismanagement. In such moments, our brains enter a state of panic, releasing cortisol, the stress hormone. This not only impacts our mental well-being, but also impairs our ability to think clearly and make sound decisions. Missed opportunities represent another immediate effect. Every moment we choose not to act productively, we're essentially declining opportunities for learning, growth, and even potential career advancement. Let's shift our focus to the long-term effects of consistently wasting time. It can create a cycle of feeling unfulfilled and regretful. Over time, this can chip away at our confidence and sense of purpose, leading us to doubt our abilities and life choices. It's not just about missing out on achieving specific goals, it's about the broader impact on our personal growth and self-improvement. The habits we develop and the discipline we lack play a significant role in shaping who we become.
Interestingly, there's a bidirectional relationship between time management and motivation. When we waste time, our motivation takes a hit, making it tougher to start or stick with important tasks. Conversely, when our motivation is low, we're more prone to wasting time as a way to avoid facing challenges. This cycle can become vicious, but recognizing it is the first step to breaking free. Once we understand the short and long-term consequences of wasted time, we start to see the value of taking charge of our hours.
Understanding the ramifications of squandering time, let's delve into strategies for reshaping our mindset to cultivate superior habits. This entails fostering a shift in perspective that translates into concrete alterations in our time management practices. The initial step is cultivating awareness. Recognize the recurring patterns of time waste. Are you losing hours on social media, endlessly procrastinating with video streaming, or becoming ensnared in trivial tasks? Acknowledging these habits is pivotal because change cannot occur without recognition. Keep a detailed time log for a week to document your activities. This exercise aims not to induce guilt, but to offer a transparent view of how time is spent. It necessitates honesty with oneself. Next, let's discuss mindfulness. It's not merely a trendy term, it's a pragmatic tool for maintaining presence and concentration. Simple mindfulness exercises like deep breathing, meditation, or even brief moments of reflection can significantly enhance focus and diminish the temptation to succumb to distractions. Commence your day with a brief meditation or mindfulness session to set the tone for a purposeful and focused day. When confronted with the inclination to engage in unproductive activities, pause mindfully and question whether it aligns with your optimal use of time at that moment. Next, prioritize tasks and establish goals. This entails identifying what truly matters to you and aligning your actions accordingly. Break down your objectives into manageable tasks using the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Remember to prioritize tasks not solely based on urgency, but also on their significance to your long-term aspirations and personal development. By integrating awareness, mindfulness, and effective goal setting, you're not only enhancing time management, but fundamentally rewiring your brain to value and leverage time in a manner that propels you toward growth and fulfillment. Transforming our relationship with time entails both mindset shifts and practical actions. Let's explore tangible tips and techniques to optimize our time utilization. Establishing a daily routine is crucial. A well-structured day can significantly reduce time waste. Start by identifying your most productive hours. Are you an early bird or a night owl? Schedule your most challenging tasks during these peak times. Incorporate breaks into your routine. Contrary to popular belief, taking short, scheduled breaks can boost productivity rather than hinder it. Use techniques like the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Don't underestimate the power of a simple digital calendar to keep track of deadlines and appointments. Now let's focus on building habits. Consistency is key here. Start with small, manageable habits that contribute to better time management. It could be as simple as spending the first 10 minutes of your day planning or dedicating a specific hour to uninterrupted work. Remember, habit formation doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience and perseverance. Celebrate small victories along the way to keep yourself motivated. As these small habits solidify, they collectively lead to significant improvements in how you manage your time. Adopting new habits and routines is a positive step, but it's equally important to address the challenges that arise. Let's explore how to overcome some common hurdles in our journey towards better time management. Firstly, identifying triggers is crucial. Triggers are the cues or situations that lead us to waste time. It could be a notification on your phone, a particular time of day, or even a specific emotional state. Start by keeping a trigger diary. Whenever you find yourself veering off track, note down what prompted it. Over time, you'll start to see patterns. This awareness allows you to proactively manage these triggers. For instance, if social media notifications are a distraction, consider turning them off during work hours. Now let's tackle procrastination, a common challenge for many. To combat this, try the 5-minute rule. Tell yourself you'll work on a task for just 5 minutes. Often, getting started is the hardest part, and once you begin, you're likely to continue beyond those 5 minutes. Another effective strategy is eating the frog, tackling your most challenging task first thing in the morning. It's about getting it out of the way, which can give you a sense of achievement and set a positive tone for the rest of the day. Lastly, staying consistent is the bedrock of effective time management. Set small, achievable goals and gradually increase them. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Don't be too hard on yourself if you slip up. Acknowledge it, learn from it, and move forward. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small. These celebrations reinforce positive behavior and keep you motivated. If you're struggling to stay consistent, consider finding an accountability partner. Sometimes, just knowing someone else is rooting for you can make all the difference. Mastering time management isn't just about tweaking our schedules, it's about rewiring our brains for success. By understanding the psychology behind our actions and implementing practical strategies, we can break free from the cycle of procrastination and unlock our full potential. Remember, it's not about perfection, but progress. Start small, stay consistent, and celebrate every milestone along the way. Together, let's make every moment count towards building a more productive and fulfilling life. If you found this information helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more valuable insights to enhance your journey towards success. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.